Good day everyone. So for today's video, we will going to discuss about how to multiply metrics. By the way guys, this video serves as a continuation only to my previous video, which is all about how to add and how to subtract metrics. So without further ado, let's proceed. Multiplication. In multiplication guys, there are things we should always remember and consider, and these are those. First is with this given matrix here, the matrix A and the matrix B. The first matrix or A has the elements of 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, and our second matrix is matrix B has the elements of 0, 1, 1, 2, and 3, 0. In multiplication guys, still the same, we should be careful on determining the multiplication or the sizes rather of a matrix. So again, in determining the sizes of the matrix, just count the number of rows by the number of columns. So we have in a first matrix we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So we have 2 by 3 matrix, and the second one has 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. We have 3 by 2 matrix. So in multiplication, in multiplying matrix guys, we should always remember that the number of a column in the first matrix must be equal to the number of the rows in the second matrix, like this encircle or this. This number here must be equal or must be the same in order for us to solve the given matrix or to multiply the given matrix. So if that two number will determine if that two matrix is applicable for us to multiply, the remaining number here serve as the size of the product will be the size of the product of the two matrix. So let's proceed with the given example here. How to multiply matrix with this given equation or given matrix here. The matrix A has the elements of 3, 2, 4, and the matrix B has the elements of 2, 3, 1, 1, and 6, negative 2. So first determine the sizes of the matrix. So first we have a 1 by 3 matrix, and the second is a 3 by 2 matrix. Since the number of columns in the first matrix is the same to the number of rows in the second matrix, so this two given matrix here is applicable for us to multiply. Find A multiply B. So in multiplying matrix guys, unlike in addition and subtraction that the first term must be must be added to the first term also in the second matrix, here in multiplication the rows must be multiplied to the columns in the other matrix or the second matrix. So 3 multiplied by 2, and since guys we have this remaining number here, the 1 and the 2, so the size of our product will be 1 by 2 matrix. So we have to multiply 3 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 1, and 4 multiplied by 6, 3 multiplied by 2, 6, plus 2 multiplied by 1, 2, plus 4 multiplied by 6 is equal to 32. So our first element is, as our product is 32. The second is 3 multiplied by 3, 2 multiplied by 1, 4 multiplied by negative 2, and the product or the sum of those products is equal to 3. So 3 will be the second element we have. So this is our product. Another example with this given matrix here. The matrix X has the elements of 1, 6, negative 2, negative 3, 5, 0, 7 for negative 2, and the second matrix y has the elements of negative 2, 3, and 5. First is identify the size of the two matrix. So we have 3 by 3 matrix and 3 by 1 matrix. Since the number of columns in the first matrix is equal to the number of rows in the second matrix, so these two given matrices here are applicable for us to multiply. So proceed, find x and the product of x and y. So we have 1 multiplied by negative 2 here, 1 multiplied by negative 2, 6 multiplied by 3, negative 2 multiplied by positive 5. So we have 6, and 6 will be serve as our first element. Second, negative 3 multiplied by negative 2, 5 multiplied by positive 3, 0 multiplied by positive 5 is equal to 21, and 21 will serve as our second elements. 7 multiplied by negative 2, 4 multiplied by positive 3, negative 2 multiplied by 5, and that will be negative 12. And negative 12 will serve as our last element, since we have since the expected size of our product is a 3 by 1 matrix, and these are 6, 21, and negative 12. Thank you for watching. This is Ray B. Flores, your future educator. Thank you.